Ay, tignan mo nga naman. Ito palang mag-asawang diskaya from humble beginnings. Hoy, sino maniniwala sa inyo? May kwento. Ikaw pala, Ate Sara Diskaya, ay pamangkin ng dating Pasig Mayor Eusebio. And according to Vera Files, Eusebio allegedly helped the Diskayas secret lucrative city contracts. Their construction firm rose to Class A status almost overnight. Allegedly bankrolled by City Hall fans. How true it is? Teka, shoutout pala muna sa ating subscriber na si Captain Shades. Kamusta na, Pogi? Well, back to our topic. Alam nyo, ganyan talaga ang buhaya. Buhay. Minsan, nasa ilalim ng baha. Minsan, nasa ibabaw ng bahay. Kaya hindi binabaha. And of course, okay naman ako na ang Diskaya ay from humble beginnings. Then naghambog sa ending. Kaya hello, Senate hearing.